Curious what your options are with term life insurance? I'm Chad McMahan with Protect with Insurance. I'm going to do my best to answer your questions. So I just had an appointment with a longtime client of mine here in the Verde Valley, and she asked, what's the story with term life insurance? I've heard it called a lot of different things. What is exactly term life insurance? Is it the same thing as mortgage protection? How's it different from final expense? How's it different from whole life? She just wanted to understand it better. So here's the deal. Term life insurance is generally they're a larger coverage policy, usually $100,000, $300,000, $500,000, even millions of dollars of coverage for a term. So it's going to expire at some point. Typically, you're looking at 10 years to 30 years on the term length. They don't go longer than 30 years, and they don't go shorter than 10 years, but there are 10, 15, 20, 25, and 30-year policies. Term policies do not build up any kind of a cash value. If you're looking for that, that's whole life, which, by the way, is the same thing as final expense. Term policies are usually the kind of policies that are utilized for mortgage protection policies, but term can be used for a whole variety of things. Obviously, I'm driving here. So term life insurance, whether you're in the Verde Valley or whether you're somewhere else, it's a larger policy that expires, does not have the cash value, but it's a larger amount of money that's going to be sent to you if something happens to you or your spouse, something like that. And it's a very important policy because those are the policies that you're going to see larger coverage. And so if I get people that come to me and they say, okay, Chad, I want a $300,000 policy, but I want it to be whole life. Well, you need to know going into that whole life policies, for dollar per dollar, they're going to cost a lot more than a term policy. And the reason why is because whole life policies never expire. So the insurance company is taking on more risk. With a term policy, the price will drop dollar per dollar of insurance coverage because the insurance company knows, okay, we're only responsible for this person up to 30 years or up to 10 years. So obviously the shorter the term, the cheaper it's going to get. 10-year or 15-year policies or 20-year policies are a lot less expensive than a 25 or 30-year policy for that same reason again, because it's less risk for the insurance company because they're not responsible for your health for as long. So I hope that helps. I hope that's helpful to you. Please click the button below if you want more questions answered about this, about anything else about term life insurance, whether you're in the Verde Valley or not. Anything I can do for you, just let me know. I'm happy to help you. All right, this is Chad signing out. Take care. Bye-bye.